Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Shahbaz here. So in this video we will learn how to perform and interpret the Wilcoxon Signed-Rank Test in R. The Wilcoxon Signed-Rank Test is a non-parametric alternative to the paired sample t-test. It is used to compare two related measurements when the difference scores are not normally distributed or when the data are ordinal. For example, it can compare participants' scores before and after training, treatment, or another intervention. So in this case, we will see the null and the alternative hypothesis, whether they are accepted or rejected. So unlike the sign test, the Wilcoxon Signed-Rank Test considers both the direction and magnitude ranks of the pair differences. Therefore, it usually has greater statistical power than the Signed-Rank Test. The main requirements are two related measurements, at least ordinal level data, independent pairs of observations, approximately symmetrical difference scores are the standard median difference interpretation, and no series outliers in the paired differences. So in this video, I will demonstrate how to import the dataset, calculate descriptive statistics, perform the Wilcoxon Signed-Rank Test, interpret the test statistics and the p-value, calculate effect size, and save the complete results in one Excel file. So please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications for upcoming R videos. So first of all, we import our dataset in R. So I just give a set dataset to ChatGPT and require coding and prompts to perform the Wilcoxon Signed-Rank Test in R. So we have a data of 12 respondents and their scores before and after training. So you can see this is a score before training and this is a score after training. So in this way, we will just import data. We copy this prompt and then paste in R and press enter. So we will see the dialog box open in front of you. You will select your dataset in the same directory we are working and then click open. So our data has been opened in R. So you can see our data is there. Okay, so next process, we need to see what are the criteria, threshold values, and what is Wilcoxon Signed-Rank Test. So in this way, we will see our PowerPoint presentation. So we are going to do Wilcoxon Signed-Rank Test in R. So we are comparing two related measurements using rank pair differences. So this is basically a non-parametric test. So the test compares two related measurements. Research context. Did student satisfaction scores change after training workshop? So that is why we have categories before and after. So why use this test? The same students provide before and after ordinal rating and normality of paired differences is not assumed. So we have research question and hypothesis. So research question, do satisfaction score ratings differ before and after the workshop? So we will check by using Wilcoxon Signed-Rank Test. And we also see and test the hypothesis H0, the distribution of paired differences is centered at 0 and the distribution of paired differences is not centered at 0. So we have also dataset here and we have assumptions to perform the Wilcoxon Signed-Rank Test in R at rank-based interpretation. So you can see the interpretations and assumptions and practical questions. So we will see the threshold and interpretation threshold values, like in case of insufficient evidence that the pay distributions differ, the p-value equal or greater than 0.05. So in case of evidence to test the hypothesis pair distribution difference, we will see the p-value should be less than 0.05. And we will also see small effect size, medium and large. 0.10 indicates small effect, 0.30 indicate medium, and 0.5 or 0 or greater than indicate large effect size. So now we come back to our R window and we will perform the Wilcoxon Signed Test. First of all, we need to perform the descriptive statistics. Okay, so we copy this prompt to perform descriptive statistics and frequencies, and then paste in the R window console and then press enter. So we have a descriptive statistic here. You can see the satisfaction score between before and before. So data we are using before and after workshop. So in case of before training, the mean score is 2.75. However, after training, the mean score increased significantly from previous. You can see 3.916667. As well, median also there is a significant difference of median from before training to after training. So you can see that. As well, standard deviation, minimum, maximum values. Okay, so we just interpreted the descriptive statistics. So now we will perform the signed-rank test plus effect size. So we'll copy this prompt and then paste there. Then press enter. So we have done. So you can see the results from Wilcoxon Signed-Rank Test with continuity correction. The V value is 55. The P value is 0.004565. So which is less than 0.05. So there is a significant difference. Also see alternative hypothesis, true location shift is not equal to 0. So it means the difference is not centered at 0. So in this case, we accept the null hypothesis, alternative hypothesis and reject the null hypothesis. And you can also see with the 95% confidence interval, 0 doesn't come between lower and upper boundary of confidence interval. You can see, so it means there is a significant difference and the p-value is less than 0.05. Sample estimates median 1.00046 and the effect size is 0.89, which is greater than 0.5. So it means there is a large effect after training. Okay, so now next we will save all results in one Excel file. We'll copy this prompt and then paste here, then press enter. So in this case, R successfully created the Wilcoxon Signed-Rank all results. So you will find the same Excel file in the same directory. You have data, so you can open and interpret the findings as well. So in this way, we perform the Wilcoxon Signed-Rank test in R.